Today on Rust Belt Airgun, I'm going to review the Fortify CR45 air pistol by Crosman. The Crosman Fortify comes in a smart-looking box intended for retail sales. The back of the box contains specifications of this air pistol in both English and French. It also conveys applications for this air pistol such as plinking, target shooting, and just backyard fun. In addition, it has a small advertisement for consumables such as Crosman BBs and Crosman CO2 powerlets. The top of the Crosman Fortify box reads Air, Liberty, and the Pursuit of Perfection. Openings at the top of the box allow it to be hung on a display rack for retail sales. The left side of the box has a Crosman logo at the top. Below the logo it reads America's and under the flag First Air-Powered Armory. Just above the UPC code, it indicates the Crosman Fortify is made in Taiwan. The right side of the box also has a Crosman logo at the top. This side of the box indicates that the air pistol is single action and that it is named Fortify BB Revolver. A picture of the air pistol is displayed at the bottom. The Crosman Fortify box contains an obligatory instruction manual and, of course, the actual Crosman Fortify air pistol. That's it! The Crosman Fortify is a CO2-powered air pistol with a Western-style revolver motif. This air pistol is of single-action design. You have to cock the hammer in between each shot. It can propel .177 caliber steel BBs up to 420 FPS. The Crosman Fortify holds 18 rounds, which are spring-fed into the breech during the cocking action. This air pistol has a classic black and white styling, and both the grips and frame are made of high-impact ABS plastic. The Crosman Fortify weighs 14.9 ounces or 422 grams. Its overall length is 10¼ inches or 26 centimeters. And its height from the top of the rear sight to the base of the grip is 5½ inches or 13.97 centimeters. The Crosman logo is proudly molded into the grips. This air pistol features a fixed notched rear sight and a fixed blade front sight. A detractor of this air pistol are the screw holes on the right hand side. You can see the exposed screws that hold the left and right side of this air pistol's frame together. They take away the ambiance of this being a real 6-shooter firearm. The Crosman Fortify pays homage to the vintage Crosman 45 BB offered between 1963 and 1970. The Crosman 45 BB, like other Wild West replica air pistol revolvers, was originally marketed under the company name of P.Y. Hahn Manufacturing Company Incorporated. This is because Crosman was worried that if these air pistol replicas didn't sell well, they would tarnish the Crosman brand name. The Crosman Fortify safety button is located on the right side, in front of the hammer. To disengage the safety, pull the button out until you see the red dot. Push the button in, hiding the red dot to engage the safety. Here in Ohio, we only have 6 months of good weather, so we try to take advantage of it by being outdoors as much as we can. My wife and I own a 1929 beach house converted to a year-round residence on 1/3 of an acre. It is located 2 city blocks away from Lake Erie. The marshlands behind our house drain into Lake Erie. This bumblebee kept on trying to pollinate my bright yellow splatterburst target. No bumblebees were harmed in the making of this video. Today I am shooting from 25 feet or 7.62 meters away from the target. This is due to the limitations of the Crosman Fortify, that it has a relatively short barrel and this air pistol being a smoothbore. Based on my experience, the Crosman Fortify shoots high and slightly to the left. The Crosman Fortify is a fun little air pistol for plinking or target practice in your backyard. Its lightweight ABS plastic construction makes it feel toy-like. A detractor of this air pistol are the screw holes on the right-hand side. You can see the exposed screws that hold the left and right side of this air pistol's frame together. They take away the ambiance of this being a real 6-shooter firearm. If you're looking for an air pistol that more closely resembles a real vintage Western firearm, then I recommend the Crosman Remington 1875. You can purchase the Crosman Fortify using my Amazon referral link in the description. Please like this post and subscribe to Rust Belt Oregon so that you're alerted to my future posts. Thank you.